Hi there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel, Fast Cabling. If you're simply looking to extend your network without the hassle of messy cables, you're in the right place. Today, we are diving into a topic that is essential for anyone seeking a seamless internet experience: setting up a wireless network bridge in just 5 minutes. So a wireless network bridge acts as a virtual link, connecting separate networks or devices wirelessly. It is a versatile solution that overcomes geographical barriers, making it ideal for scenarios where laying down cables is impractical or simply not possible. And whether you're aiming to establish connectivity between buildings, link different floors in a structure, or bridging gaps in outdoor spaces, wireless network bridge provide an efficient and cable-free solution. They utilize radio wave to transmit and receive data, allowing for a flexible and adaptable extension for network reach. Before diving into the world of wireless network bridges, ensuring you have the right equipment and optimal setup is key for a successful experience. Firstly, gather the necessary tools, including the wireless bridges, routers or wireless access point, Ethernet cables, and the device that you intend to bridge. To form a robust and reliable wireless network bridge, make sure your equipment are in good working conditions. And in terms of placement, strategic positioning of devices is crucial for optimal performance. Consider factors like distance and potential obstacles between the wireless bridges, and aim for a clear line of sight to minimize signal interference and maximize signal strength. Elevating antennas or positioning devices at a higher vantage point can contribute to a smoother and more efficient wireless bridge connection. So now we're in front of the demonstration board, and setting up your wireless network bridge is a breeze. Now I'm going to guide you through the process step by step. Coming over here, we have the router. We need to connect it to our network video recorder since we're connecting to our IP camera at the edge. So I'm going to use a short patch cord to connect the router and the NVR. And we'll begin by connecting the wireless bridge to our internet source using this Ethernet cable. Let's go to our wireless bridge. Let's plug it in here. And we are going to power it up right here. So power it up and make sure it's in a good working condition. Next is the pairing. The bridge comes with a simple pairing mechanism. The pairing process is done by pressing this button on each bridge. And this straightforward process can ensure they recognize and sync with each other. So in the back, we have the channel. Now I'm going to press the button. Now we can see we're at channel 8. So coming over this side, we are going to do the same thing. Plug in the power supply first. And this is the button that we're going to press. One more thing, this is on S, and this is a transmitter. The receiver on that side is on M. Make sure they're on different mode. So I'm going to press the button now to change it to channel 8. Here we go. Once it's paired, now we are going to use it to connect with a device. I'm going to plug in the Ethernet cable, and then let's try our IP camera. Just plug it in and power it up. And we can hear the sound clicking, and also it's getting the signal already. So I'm going to wave my hand to show you this is a live video. And this entire setup can be completed in just 5 minutes. It's a plug and play process with a simple one-button matching mechanism and requiring no complex configurations. So the versatility of a wireless network bridge opens the door to a myriad of creative and practical applications, ensuring connectivity in various scenarios. One exciting use is in gaming setup. By bridging networks, gamers can ensure a stable and low latency connection, optimizing the gaming experience for both casual and competitive play. And in the realm of offices, a wireless network bridge connects remote workplaces, ensuring a reliable and speedy internet connection becomes effortlessly achievable. Moreover, from smart TVs and security cameras to voice-activated assistants, bridging networks ensure these devices communicate seamlessly and creating a cohesive and interconnected smart home ecosystems. So for some more additional information, optimal placement is the key to boosting signal strength. Ensure a free line of sight between the bridge devices to minimize interference and maximize connectivity. And if you have more than 2 locations and can't maintain a face-to-face setup, you can check out our dedicated video on back-to-back setup of multiple wireless network bridges for extended coverage. And for more experienced users, you can explore customizing channel setting to avoid interference from neighboring network. Adjusting transmission power and channel width can further optimize the performance. And for more in-depth tutorial, troubleshooting, and tech insight, feel free to subscribe to our channel, Fast Cabling. Stay connected, stay informed, and empower your digital experience. And thank you very much for joining us, and we'll see you in the next video.